Can we all say tālofa? Tālofa. Tālofa. Tā means you and me. Tā o I o, tā o e a. Tā means you and me. Alofa means what? Love. You love and I love. That's what you're saying.
I love
But
you.
when you say talofa, I don't know what that means. So please, everyone, start off with tālofa lava, okay?
Okay, so we're going to split for an hour. Everyone is going to go outside in the car park, okay? Everyone's going to have a turn each, okay? And then have another turn, and mentor each other, okay? The older ones help out the younger ones. Can we just get a show of hands first? Walau lau lau, put your hand up if you're doing walau lau lau. Hands right up.
Awo, awa, awa loto, fofonga tamafa.
O le au ke kaukali le keo whao kupu ma le keo whao kamali. Wai ai le ka le whae pai. Whawhikai le whao alo alo.
Oh, it's the whole line? Yeah. Oh, free. Okay. A vea lo leo e whai whawhawhonga ta mori o Apionga Pāteli.
Wa vea. Sai. Se ua malie. Mata le vai. Sao whalalei. Ua whatalunga, whatalale.
E ua ne uwhi, e tua tupu le aso o la ngona.
E tātou tae au si ko sau kasi apa mo fale. Oi, fal tua ma tausi. Sao au, fa pea, fa nau. Sao au.
E a te au le awa ma le whao alo tele. E wha atalofu atu ai I le mamalu, how do you say it?
I tula toa.
I tula toa. Okay.
Kala ofu. Kala ofu. A ver se kokingi. Kala kokingi.
Kala mali. So you're going to run and
Come
get
and
it.
get the other stick for the faith.
And it's going to be for the whaiwhia. Moi. Then run to this side.
Moi.
Then face him.
This is a history book. This is a history book on this boy. Okay, this is the history of Samoa. It's how our parents, your ancestors didn't have pen and paper to write their histories. So they tattooed it on our bodies.
So you have to put your stomach out as fat as you can. And they
Tattoo,
puka, ka. And then rest. Then they get the ink.
To this day, this particular family, the Suapes say, well, the whole time this boy was having his better, he's not allowed to go around. He's not allowed to go anywhere. Someone has to accompany him the whole time. And that person is called the kausi be'a, the person that takes care of him. If that person isn't there with him, then the spirits will come and kausi his be'a. The evil spirits will come.
Why you put it on when the pair's not finished? Oh no, that's what the other kufunga did. But there's different rules.
Observe the rules of that particular tufunga.
It's a beautiful journey, but don't mess around with it.
I'll probably use it on Saturday night when we explain to your parents. We've worked really, really hard every day for the last 6 days, but e poko le kaukai, ia ai se lava le aku yama. We can do all that we want to, the best that we can, but a lot of us will be making mistakes. A lot of us will, won't be perfected, but yeah, those are the sorts of contexts that you can use it on.
Cool. Guys, that's us for day 4.